So here we are with the Saker mini electric chainsaw, 4-inch portable cordless. We're going to go ahead and unbox it here. So inside we have a charger with an indicator light on it, a 20-volt battery, the chainsaw itself, which you can see that 4-inch blade there. We have the chain adjustment tool, a screwdriver, and the directions. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and plug in the battery, go charge that up. And while we're charging that up, we'll go ahead and read through the instruction booklet. As you can see here, pretty standard instruction manual like you receive with any cordless or corded power tool. It goes over the safety specs, general power tool safety warnings, specific use for chainsaws, safety instructions, how to properly operate the chainsaw, including lubrication and maintenance, how to clean the guide bar and tighten the chain. Alright, so we're going to look at a little closer at the chainsaw here. Pretty sturdy. The safety bar here. We're going to check the chain tension. Looks good. Within safety standards. So we're going to go ahead and attach the battery. Standard push in, slide into place. We do have our safety lock here, as well as a hand grip. So let's go ahead and test this out. Now, as you can see here, we have a lot of trails that we maintain. So I could see where this would come in handy, having to just carry this light 1.1 pound chainsaw through the forest instead of the gas, oil, and heavy duty chainsaw that we usually use. So let's see if we can find some more branches to test this chainsaw on. So we're going to go ahead and try and cut this branch here. Not too bad on that one. Nice fresh green tree limb. One swipe. Now we also have a lot of trees that fall onto the trail. So we're going to have to go ahead and see how we can top this one here. Pretty easily. Now I will say that I like this lanyard strap here. It definitely gives you support while you're holding. So we're going to go ahead and try and cut this one. Right through. Now it does mention in the instruction guide that if you're going to be using this mini chainsaw to cut fruit trees, that you're going to want to use vegetable oil as your lubricant. So please make sure you remember that before you start poisoning your fruit trees. But we're going to go ahead and test this here on the pear tree. Nice and smooth, even cuts, looks good. Now, per the instructions as well, it says not to cut anything over 4 inches wide, and you can easily use the bar of the chainsaw to tell if this is bigger than 4 inches, and actually it's about 4 inches. So we're going to see what this will do on this fallen tree. Cut right through. We're going to move it down and process the next log. 3 logs in a row, no problems. Let's test it here on some of these maple tree offshoots. As you can see here on the homestead, we process our trees all the way down and use every single piece from the stick branch to the thick log. So this would be an optimal tool for going ahead, taking these larger branches like this and sectioning them off. We have this branch here that's fallen into the pond. We're going to top it off and see how it does. Much better. That was a very easy and maneuverable event. Using the mini chainsaw instead of having to bust out the big boy. I'm happy. So in order to tighten up the chain, you need the screwdriver to go here to this tightening screw, which is kind of short. You're running your fingers along the chain trying to tighten it. Can't get a really good grip. I would say either a longer screwdriver or, yeah, a longer screwdriver, definitely. So, for an honest review from a homesteader on the value of this Saker 4-inch mini chainsaw, I would say that it's quite a useful tool. I'm able to carry it around very easily. As we said, the weight is great. One-hand action, the lanyard. It tackled every job that I put and tested it again, as you could see, which was many. Including the torture test, which it shouldn't have really, you know, it's not made to accomplish, but it certainly tackled it. No incidents of any problems. I mean, got some dirt on it, it's still ticking. Cutting big logs, little logs, cleaning trail. And I think that's another value where it would come in too, is for outdoorsmen. This would be great to carry with you in your pack, to chop in a blind, to clean your runways, your shooting lanes, and it's a lot more compact than a big old saw. So as a homesteader, a hunter, and an avid outdoorsman, I'm going to say that this product will definitely come in handy for you. With its ease of use and efficiency, it's a quality tool that served me well. Until next we meet, be well.